morning students. Today we discuss question number 6 in our exercise force and pressure. I think we already discussed question number 6 in our live session. So we will discuss question number 7. So what is the question number 7 here? Question number 7. Volume of an object is 20 centimeter cube and the mass in 50 gram. Density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Will the object float on the water or sink in water? Here what is given? First we write down the data. So first we write down the data which is given here. What is here given? That is the first the volume of an object. Volume of an object is equal to 20. Here given that 20 centimeter cube. 20 centimeter cube. Now what is again given? Second is the mass of object. Mass of an object. Mass of an object is 50. Here given that it is 50 gram. 50 gram. Now here again it is given that the density of water is, okay, here again given that density of water. So here we write the density of water. Density of water. Density of water is given here, which is here 1 gram per centimeter cube. 1 gram centimeter per centimeter cube. Okay, this is the density of water, and we have to find out, will the object float on water or sink in the water? Object is float or sink. If density is greater than water, then object is sink, and if density is less than water, then object is float. So first we have to find out the density of that object. So for the density, the formula of density is equal to mass upon volume. Now we have to find out the density of that object. So we write down density which thing? That is object, not water. Density of object is equal to mass. Mass is given here, that is 50. Volume is here 20. Now here 0 get cancel. 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5 gram per centimeter cube. Now here we see that the density of object is greater. Than the density of water. So we write here density of object is greater than density of water. And if density of object is greater than density of water, then the object will be sink here. So we can write here, hence the object will sink in water. Therefore the object will sink in water. And if the density of object is less than, then the object is float on water. Okay, so you can solve this example in your notebook.